Yho, sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi beningibona kuma-screen kusho ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. As at this point, I don't know. Like, who are we supposed to trust if the people that we're supposed to go to for help, abantu laba kumele kube yibona isikhala kubona for usizo, are the ones that are killing us? This lady over here, her name Kate, she shot her husband outside of their home. When the neighbor quickly heard amaganshoti, he quickly rushed out to Kate, wathi Kate, musu vele ukuma kanjalo, lethi sikhiye semoto khona sizomgijimisa esibhedlela before he loses more blood, before he passes on. Kate wavele wathi, wey, awungeke, imoto nje ibusy, imoto iney'mpahla zami ney'ngane ngaphakathi, angeke sikwazi ukusebenzisa le moto le izongcola igazi and everything. Wathi neighbor, are you worried about the car and your clothes and you're not worried about the father of your 3 children that you shot? She was like, yeah, well, I shot him. It was a mistake. Manje kumele ngisebenzise imoto yami ukuthi simgijimise esibhedlela. Uma ngaseshonela emotweni la kuzowenzakalani? Nginey'ngane eziwu-3 mina kumele sisebenzise le moto le. So he ended up calling the police and the ambulance, but then guy was declared dead, unfortunately. When she appeared in court, guys, look at this picture here. She was smiling at the journalist. So not only did she take away the life of her children's father, 3 children, now they do not have a father because of their mother. She also took away her own life. You know, now the kids are as good as orphaned. What is supposed to happen to the kids? No, my mom shot our dad. And she didn't even want to rush him to the hospital. Upon being asked in prison, in court, how do you feel about this? She smiles. Like, guys. Like, yeah,